All right, let's get into ScalpMO on a 10,000 tick chart. First thing we're going to do, as always, is set up our ranges. For this chart, I've got the center region set to plus 0.20 and minus 0.20. The upper threshold is at 0.90, and the lower threshold is set at minus 0.90. These are just your baseline settings. Feel free to tweak them based on your trading style. Now, here's where I made a few adjustments to ScalpMO. The 10,000 tick chart doesn't move too fast, so I wanted a smooth wave line with a more responsive acceleration line, which is that purple line. So, what I did was overlay ScalpMO with the wave line set to 20 for that nice, smooth tracking of price. Then, I set the acceleration line at 14, making it a little quicker to pick up on changes in the market. All right, let's get to the action. This is for October 8th, 2024. The first key entry happened when the purple line crossed above the zero line, and you could see the wave line tilting up. That's your signal to go long, and you would have held that trade until the purple line crossed back below zero. Next up, there's another trade setup at the 1017 bar. The wave line touched the upper threshold of the middle channel, and you'll notice the purple line was below zero and rising. The moment it crossed above zero, that was your signal to go long again. You ride that until the purple line crosses back under zero at the 1043 bar. This chart gave us plenty of action throughout the day, but here's where you need to pay attention. At the 1056 bar, the purple line hit the bottom threshold, which usually signals a potential reversal, and sure enough, the next bar did reverse. So, always keep an eye on that. Fast forward to 1208, and you'll see the purple line came all the way down to the lower threshold again. That was a heads up that a move to the upside might be coming. And boom, by 1254, the wave line hit the upper part of the middle threshold, and the purple line crossed below zero. That's your entry for a short. Simple as that. Then, at 1317, the purple line crossed back above zero, and the wave line that had sunk below the lower threshold started rising. That's your signal to go long. Now, here's something to keep in mind with ScalpMO. It's not built to capture long trend moves. For example, on October 4th, there was a perfect short setup at 9:36 when the purple line crossed below zero. You'd ride that move until about 9:53 when it crossed back above zero. But after that, the trend continued lower, and ScalpMO wouldn't have captured that. It's designed to clip the cyclic component of the spectrum, for those fast in-and-out scalps, and not the longer trend components, which PureMO would handle better. As always, these are just base examples. Every trader's different, so I encourage you to tweak these settings and make them your own based on your trading style and risk management. And that's it. ScalpMO on the 10,000 tick chart. Hope this helps you dial in your setups and entries. See you in the next one.